What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a tucking video on the Craftsman Compact Blue in the Fall Cleanup Edition. Now, it will definitely get used again this weekend, because I know since the same time it get used again this weekend because like I said, the more times this thing definitely get used again this weekend because you know I expected this thing to team. It's still got 2 bars left in the bag, which is like I said, I know this thing's probably gonna die this weekend because you know I expected this thing to tell because you know I expected this thing to be which and this is a CMC BL0100 and definitely how much expected this machine exactly, so it will definitely get used again this weekend. And I know that because you know I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected this machine exactly, because here's the thing though exactly, because when this machine gets used almost quite a bit because you see that's how you expected this thing exactly, just it will definitely get used again this weekend because I know how I expected on this machine exactly, which just definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, but it's because you know I expected this thing exactly, just definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But this machine right here exactly because there's nothing wrong with it exactly because you see how I expected this thing exactly, which just definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. I know I'm using a format battery this one to be easy, but you see how much expected this thing exactly you see because it's very how much you expected this thing exactly, which just definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But it's definitely how much you expected this thing exactly, which definitely will be used again this weekend because like I said, I mean you can see how much expected this thing exactly because it's just blowy exactly. I mean there's nothing wrong with it exactly because you know how expected this thing exactly. It's pretty much what I expected this thing exactly. And definitely will get used again this weekend because a lot of times you know you seem to use almost like quite a bit because you never know how expected this thing exactly, which is it's definitely how much you expected this machine. And definitely how much expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But here's the thing though exactly, because this thing on here exactly you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which yeah definitely will get used again this weekend because I know that you see how much expected this, but this is a very nice little machine, but definitely will use again this weekend.